All 4 shock absorbers are leaking. Replace them together 40,000. The owner of a Bentley Flying Spur. Find me in New York to repair air shock absorbers. According to the description of the eldest brother, in real estate, receive customers frequently. Bought this used Bentley Flying Spur. The car went through a big pit. Shock absorption directly lying down. Go to the 4S store to replace it with a new one. 4 will 50,000. Fortunately, the owner swiped my video. I can repair the air shock absorber. It only takes more than 1,000. You can see the video here, if you think the craftsmanship is good. With the support of a little red heart. The master is using professional equipment. Push the leather bag iron rings together, then replace it with a new rubber ring. Brush Vaseline. Would you approve of such a repair? Common area discussion?